Hello, this is Tony at Tony's Music, and I'm just about to start up Create Studio 3. It automatically signs me in, so there you go. Because I'm a beginning member, what do you call them now, an early bird member from ages ago. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to use the captions. They're the new item that they've been introduced recently, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up a scene first. So I've just got the first object there that was in the background area, and you can get a 3D character, which is one that can do lip syncing and things like that. So let's get the woman out of this one, so because there's a lot of hairstylists, so that'll be a good idea. So just change the clothes to make it look like more of a hairstylist than anything else. Let's try that one. Yeah, that makes sense, doesn't it? Let's try something more like that one. And where's the trousers? No, that one. I think that would be more like it. And the shoes have got to change as well. Perhaps colour. Yeah, that looks alright, doesn't it? I wonder if we can change the colour of that, and actually, because it might be a good idea to change the colours a little bit, especially the shoes. Anyway, colours, shoes, primary colour, change that to a bit more paler. That's better. Now she looks more like a professional hairstylist, maybe make it a little bit bigger. Right, now she's going to be doing the talking when I get the thingy on. I'm going to actually spread these as far as I can across there. So I'm going to change your action first of all. So I'm going to say happy. What's that then? Let's have a look. Shall we have a look at that? Yeah, that's alright. And then I've got to add to that action, haven't I? Because I've done that. Pointing to the left or to the right? Pointing to the right. Yeah. So that's it. Right. So we go there to there, and then pointing to the left. That's wrong. I need to point to the right. That's pointing to the right, so I'm going to take that off. Add new action, pointing to the left. There you go. Move her over a bit, actually. Whoop. I've got her on rotate, sorry. I'm going to take that off and just move her over there. Right. So we'll just do that, and if I can stretch her any further like that, that's it. Right. So we can do that. Let's see if we can stretch that across like that. If I can do that, then I'll just take that back a little bit. Hopefully it can change both of them. Right, so what I want to do now is I want to add some speech first of all. So it's got something to use for captions. So we get a speech from here. I'm going to use Google. If you use the AI, it costs you a lot of money. So, well, it can do if you ain't got any credits. So, I'm going to use the Google for that reason. And what I'm going to do is say hello and welcome to Shortcuts Hair Salon. equipment. I spelled wrong. Equipment. Hair salon needs to be 2 words. Right. Ready. Okay. That's pretty reasonable, isn't it? Hello and welcome to Haircuts Hair Salon. Need to put a full stop there, really. It needs to be capital. Please take a seat. Well, ready. Yep. Then all you do is you look for which female you want to do, and then just do generate speech, and then you can preview
Hello
it.
and welcome to Shortcuts Hair Salon. Please take a seat whilst I get the equipment ready.
Okay, that sounds pretty good to me. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to put that at the beginning, like that. So we've got enough space for a bit more later, which is what I want to do as well. I'm going to do a bit more of another piece in a minute. So let's go back to that recording and then say right. Okay, thanks for coming. Please do call again and have a great day. That sounds pretty good, doesn't it? Right, so we'll listen to that.
Thanks for coming. Please do call again and have a great day.
Right, I'm going to put a what's it in there, pause and again. So we go, let's do A equals 1 and do that. Right. Whoops, I've done that wrong. I need to put a gap between them, I think. I'm not sure, but I'm doing it anyway, just in case. Let's try that again.
Thanks for coming. Please do call again and have a great day.
Yeah, that might be too long. We change that to 0.5. Try that, see if that'll work. Generate speech.
Thanks for
Preview.
coming. Please do call again and have a great day.
Yeah, that sounds better. Okay, import that. So that's just the next one, which I'm going to put over here. Obviously, it's a little bit further over, so I need to move that a little bit more. I think I don't want to put them too close together, but you know, I'll do anyway. So I'm going to do this. Just drag it a little bit out. That's it. Right. That's what we got. Right. So what I need to do now is I need to link the first voiceover with Lenka. Sync with Lenka there. Right. Second voiceover there. That one. Sorry. I've got to click on that and then sync with Lenka as well. Right. Now the first one will go on there. Generate captions for that. So we're just going to keep it in English. Excuse me. And you've got a list of presets there you can take with it. You can use. So I'll use that one. Right. I'll use that one as a preset. Right. So we go over to here and see what there you go. Look, that's what it looks like at the moment. Right now, whilst you got this on, you can change the style and stuff like that as you want if you wish by just clicking on style. Right, style actually does all the colors and sizes and different things like that, like and where you want it, whether you want it on the top, middle or bottom. Right, so you can have it where you want there, like that. You can have it random angle or you can have it straight. I'm going to do straight at the moment for this one. And you can have a margin so it goes lower or higher. Right, the margin makes it go lower or higher up to halfway basically. So if it's too high up, you can pull it down a bit with that, and then use the top, bottom and center if you want it in the top or bottom or center according to what you want. And then you can change the size of the font and the font box to what you want, like that. So 45 seems reasonable to me. And you can change the actual font. I usually like Alpha Slab 1. I usually find that's pretty good. It's very clear. And you can change the colours as well. So I only change the background colour to, oh, that's weird. Oh, that was the wrong thing. That was the colour of the the colour of the font. Sorry, I didn't mean to do that. So I've got to, oh damn, I've got to revert that. Sorry, go back a minute, back off there, back off there, back off there. Right, that's it. So I reverted it by going over here to undo, and that's undo, redo there. Right, now your colour, you can change your colour to yellow if you want, like that, or blue if you want, like blue, like that. That's blue, darker blue, and this could be lighter blue, like that. So you can do it like that, or any other colour really, dark blue, and have it cut out as light blue, or vice versa. So we just change that to light, make that one really dark blue. So when you know it's gone dark blue, that's it. It's been already spoken. Right. So that's the colour and the highlight colour. So the highlight colour means it's been spoken or it's just been spoken, and then that means that's got to be spoken next. And then you can highlight type the whole line, word or words. Right. So there's so many things. So I'd put it on the line myself, but you can do words if you want. And then you got the character spaces, so you can expand it with the characters like that, and the line height as well. So you'd only be able to see that if you got two lines. So we can have a look at that later. And this is if you got Arabic, you can change it around so it's Arabic and all capitals. So you have all capitals, or bring it back to capitals and little letters as well. And you can have a border on, so we go up there with a border that goes on the actual character. You can change the border colour to a different colour, like yellow, say, for example. You can't see very well there, so I don't know where it's. So that's okay. Do that, and then shadow. You can do a shadow as well. Look at that shadow coming, so you could see it like that. So you can make it look like 3D coming off the thingy. So that'd be pretty good. And you can change the angle of the shadow as well. So go any way you want, like that. And then you can blur it so it don't look so sharp. The shadow. I prefer it sharp to be honest with you, but some people don't. So, and then here's your box settings. So the box here, you can change the corners, the border. You can add a border to it like that. You've got a border on there, and you can change the border to a different colour. So you can make it really snazzy if you wish, you know. So that's really good, isn't it? So I'm going to change that. Actually, I don't want that colour, so I'd rather have yellow or green or something in that colour. So let's try green, because green might be more stand out-ish. Yeah, that'd be better. Something like that. Right, and you can change the border to dashed if you want to, like that, so it'd be even more snazzy, you know, if you want to. You don't have to, but you know, if you get it the right kind of thing, it gives you a nice effect. And you can add a shadow to that. So there you go, a shadow on there. And I'm sure you got shadow angle and shadow blur as well. So what you need to do is change the shadow angle to be the same as up there. And I put blur on that. Yeah, that looks pretty good anyway. Might look a bit bad on the front because the shadow of the edges is coming up there, which is not really good. So let's just take the let's just change the thingy what is it, the dash back to 0 like that. That's better. So yeah, like that. Right, if you got the dashes on it, that looks good because them come across there. That looks reasonable because it looks like it's indented as well, so it's pretty good. I don't mind that. That looks quite good actually. So I'm happy with that. Right, but that's how you make your captions. The other thing is, if you got another text to speech, you go on that and you can generate a separate caption for that, as we'll show you in a minute. Right, so let's go to presets for that one, and we can have it completely different if you want. So I'll do that one. Right, so go on that one. You see that? Look, so we got that one there. We've got a different here, different one here. So that's pretty cool. You can change it like that. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. That's exactly what I was going to show you, is how to create captions, and that's how you do it basically. And you can put them where you want. You can make them random in the way that they are, whether they're straight up like this or random, by clicking on the style and hit the random angle, and that'll make them angled like that. So you can do that. And with the other one you could have it not angled, so we click on that one, edit captions on that one, and take that one off. So you'll see the other one's still angled, but that one won't be. Right, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial anyway, and I hope it's been useful to you. If so, please like and subscribe to Tony's Music, and have a great day. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.
Hello and welcome to Shortcuts Hair Salon. Please take a seat whilst I get the equipment ready. Thanks for coming. Please call again, and have a great day.
Thank you.